We on? We on? Yeah, you can hear me. We're in Donegal, so welcome back. Up here for two nights. Going back on Wednesday, so it's Monday now. We just got here, it's like 2 o'clock. We're staying over in Letterkenny, and then we're gonna hit a couple of spots. We're hitting 2 today, 1 for here. You'll see the next one next week. Then the 2 the week after that. Told her to walk ahead of me because I don't like talking in front of to the camera in front of her, so she's now waiting for me. It's nice and calm too. Hopefully far out enough. Yeah, so when I came down here originally, I went way off to the left, thinking it was down that way. It's to the right, yeah. Hopefully shouldn't be too tricky for us to get around. We're at Donegal's premier secret waterfall, which as far as I'm aware doesn't have a name, so we're at it. It's this way. Look at this place. 3 hours in the car from where we were. And this is the first stop. Second stop you'll see next week, which will be the Sleeve League cliffs. Stopped here first because with the time of the travel and the tide being out, low tide was 1 o'clock, so I procrastinated this morning. We're an hour late, which is my fault. But tide's still out, so we should be fine. I have my old Converse on, so if I get my feet wet, I don't care. That's what I had to do last time, was plunge my feet into the water. Otherwise I wasn't making it. These rocks are amazing. But there was a bit where literally there was only a ledge about this wide to get round against a wall of like just algae and seaweed. Or not seaweed, sorry, but like just like green, sort of like green fur. So there's nothing to hold on to, and only your feet on something, and then it was just water behind you and around you. Probably. Do you know what this feels like as well? Do you know when they're walking around the coast and lost? They get from camp to camp too. It's the type of shit they would have went over. Yeah? Oh, something's been washed down the river. I'll be getting that out of the way for the pictures. Ah, yeah, straight in. I'm up. Feet are wet now. Feet are wet already. Have no choice. Let's go. Huh?
They're going to be summer.
I would love to if I had like a change of clothes. And...
You do?
Yeah, but I don't want to get wet right now.
I'm going to stand in there and you can lick me.
Do what?
Well, I go on you like this.
Uh-huh.
And stand there.
In the water?
You need to do that if you're already wet.
Good there. Well, like a piggyback?
What?
And it like a piggyback or?
No, like this way.
I don't think I have enough time to get over here and get you on me and in there.
Well, you're just gonna have to run really fast then, aren't you? Did it go?
Yeah.
Did you puke it?
I think so, yeah.
That'd be impressive.
That's the camera stuff all wrapped up. And I'm sure I'll have forgotten to do something, but I've got better video than I did last time because I wasn't in a rush. But the tide's coming in now, so we're gonna get out of here. And there's, yeah, really overexposed. Need to not walk into the sun. We're gonna head back to the car now, head over to the next spot, so I'll see you in the next one.